AI is not just evolving business, it's disrupting it. It is transforming almost every industry and rewriting the rules. Today, the challenge for companies is not one of size, but of speed. Organizations must use data in a smarter way and adapt to an ever-changing world quickly. Fortunately, there's an easy way to speed your time to value. Enter Systems Iris, a comprehensive platform that speeds and simplifies the development, deployment, and maintenance of real-time, data-intensive applications. From collecting, integrating, and normalizing data, to executing and operationalizing AI models, Iris streamlines the entire process and helps you develop new AI solutions at every stage, so you can sustain a competitive advantage, move into new business sectors, and reduce costs. We may not know where AI will take us, but we do know Iris will help us all get there faster.